Chapter 1. Bern. Hey there, travel lovers. Today I'm taking you on a virtual tour of Bern, Switzerland's enchanting capital. This city effortlessly blends nature, history, and charm into one beautiful package. Buckle up, because you're about to discover why Bern should be your next travel destination. First up, let's float down the Aare River. Imagine turquoise waters surrounded by lush greenery and historic buildings. It's no wonder locals and tourists alike adore swimming and floating here in the summer. Picture yourself strolling or biking along the riverfront promenades or cooling off at the Marzili Baths, an outdoor swimming haven. The Aare River is pure magic. Now let's travel back in time with a visit to the Zytglogge clock tower, a medieval marvel from the 13th century. Every hour, watch mechanical figures like dancing bears and knights come to life. Don't miss a guided tour to climb to the top of the tower where panoramic views of Bern's Old Town await you. It's a historical experience like no other. Next, we wander through Bern's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Walk along the arcades, explore charming shops, and marvel at colorful Renaissance-era fountains. Take a break at the Rosengarten for stunning views and a perfect picnic spot. This medieval center is a treasure trove of culture and history. Finally, let's meet Bern's iconic residence at BärenPark. Named after bears, this spacious riverside enclosure is where you can watch brown bears play, climb, and swim. It also offers beautiful river views and is conveniently connected to the old town by a funicular. Plus, don't miss the Federal Palace, the Einstein Museum, and the towering Munster Cathedral for more immersive experiences. Bern truly stands out with its mix of natural beauty and historic charm. Whether it's the serene Aare River in the summer or the cozy, festive streets in winter, Bern has a relaxed atmosphere that's perfect for exploration all year round. This hidden gem is a must-visit for every travel enthusiast seeking a blend of history, nature, and undeniable charm. So, are you ready to pack your bags and explore Bern? Let me know in the comments which attraction you're most excited to visit. Until next time, happy travels.